so grateful to God. All our gratitude should always go to God, because only Him will take all the glory. There is a purpose. There is a purpose of God keeping us alive for now. Look at me, 77, and I had this, my throat surgery and all that. Look at my daughter, and God has kept her up to today, added another year. My dear, it's not for nothing.
Yes.
It's for a purpose. But my prayer for you, and even for me, is that God will reveal the purpose, so that you walk in that purpose.
Amen.
So that you'll be pleased that
Amen.
you're walking in that purpose. And let me tell you, He will bless and bless and bless, bless and bless. You know, like Esther. I always like to use Esther in the Bible. Esther was a slave girl, but Esther went from slave girl to a queen.
Yes.
You understand? It's uplifting because of the grace of God, because of the power of God, because of the mercy of God upon her life, because of the favor of God upon her life. She got favor. She did what nobody could do. Yeah, she did what nobody could do. You know, and she's such a humble girl. She respected her uncle and all that. And believe you me, God answered her prayers. You know, very, very well. And what happened? She was preferred. You think it was only Esther who went for that competition?
No, other ladies.
No,
went.
thank
Yes.
you, thank you. She was preferred amongst the other ladies. And it's only the favor of God. My dear, when the favor of God is upon you, that's how you go to somewhere you'll be preferred. You'll be preferred. And people will be breaking their heads. You'll be jealous and envy and all that. It's just the Lord's doing.
And it's marvelous in our sight. Yeah.
Hashtag, and God did it.
Yes, so
Finish. Hashtag.
And God did it.
God did
and
it.
He will always do
And
it.
He will always do
Yes,
it.
so thank God.
There's a song I always like. Oh Lord, our help in ages past. You remember when life started? When I remember when my own life started. When I was a young girl. If you see me when I was a young girl, figure 8.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I was figure
I'll
8.
go and look for one of your pictures.
I was figure 8, and they call me figure 8.
Yes.
And smooth skin. This is the quality I had when I was young. Do you understand me? And
Tell them that. Tell them.
Yeah.
Figure 8.
figure 8 and smooth skin.
Yes.
Then I got married to my husband. He said, he saw me and he said, I must marry this girl.
Because of her figure 8 and
he went out for me. Never mind that things went the way they went. I enjoyed my life, with him. And I had these wonderful, 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 wonderful girls. Now women. And very soon, I'm looking forward, they'll become grandparents, grandmothers as well. So it's just the zeal of God has been performing all this. Nothing more. So people come and ask me, how did you manage? I say, manage what? What did I do? I say, God forbid, I didn't do anything. God just decided that He will make a name for Himself. And He made a name for Himself.
You're just a vessel.
So what I'm telling you, my daughter, this birthday you are celebrating, and in the future, God's zeal is going to perform all your heart desires.
Amen.
Everything that you desire.
Amen.
God is going to perform it. And you'll be marveled.
Amen.
You'll be preferred amongst your pair. You don't know. Yes, you'll be preferred. And people will be asking why. They don't know. You just God's favor and God's grace. So to God be the glory.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I could continue.
I know. That's why I said very briefly. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
I love
Thank
you. I love you.
This is Ezibonne. This is your original sweet mother.
Yeah.
All right, thanks guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
I hope you're encouraged and I hope you're uplifted by this short message.
Yes, just be encouraged and be uplifted.
Yeah. Thank
go
God.
for it. Just go for it.
Yes.
Go for it.
And be grateful in all things.
Gratitude is one thing. Let it never cease.
Yeah.
The breath you take, the talk you talk, anything you do, let it be gratitude to this God.
Okay.
He will perform it.
Thank you.
He will perform it.
watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.